Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna do the media skin fade. You are watching before and after. Before we started, please hit the subscribe button. So now I start from the top. I divide the top hair to 3 sections. So first is the middle, second is the right, and the third is the left. And my guy asked me just a little bit trim, so I just cut it a little bit and I use the point cut technique. So here is the right side, and after right side I'm gonna do the left side of the top part section. Here you can see after top I go for the back side and connect the top to the back and use the graduation techniques. As you can see, 90 degrees. So before we start the fade, please, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and share, and comment below if you have any question or idea. So now I'm showing the before I start the fade. So now I use some clips for the top and separate the top from the sides, left and right side. Okay, so let's get started the fade. So the first guard is guard 1.5. I'm gonna just cut a little bit. Yeah, I go all the way with guard number 1.5. So after that I use the trimmer for the bottom. You can see the right side now is the back and the left side. The second guard is guard number 1. The lever is 3/4 open, and I'm cutting just a little bit lower of guard 1.5. Same as the previous guard 1.5. Here is the back and left side. So the third guard is guard 0.5, the lever still is 3 4 open. You can see the guard line of guard half. Just a little bit lower than guard number 1. So here I use again guard number 1, and you can see just a little bit those spot is dark, and I'm using the corner of machine blade, not full blade. I'm not using, you need to be careful. So the next guideline I'm going to fade it is guard 0.5 and lever 3 4 open. Guys, please hit the subscribe button, like this video and share, and comment below. If you have any question, let me know. Okay guys, so the last guideline is the line of trimmer. So I'm using the clipper now, and the lever is 2 4 open. So now you can see I already fade the temple guideline at the temple section. Now is behind. You can see so you can see now I'm pointing which part is dark. Now I'm just fading that part, and now I'm using the thinning scissors. Guys, please hit the subscribe button, subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and comment below, and share this video to your friends, all barbers. Okay guys, now I'm using the electric shaver for the bottom. to make my fade looks very nice all the way from side to side. And last but not least, I'm gonna use trimmer for the lining up. And the last step, guys, thank you for watching this video. Now I'm done. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below. Thank you so much. See you next time.